Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to your audience in Kajabi. If you're managing an online business or course, being able to communicate directly with your audience through email broadcasts is essential for keeping them engaged and informed. First, you'll need to head over to kajabi.com and sign in to your Kajabi account. Make sure you're logged in with the credentials that have access to your marketing tools, as this is where you'll be managing all your email campaigns. Once you're signed in and looking at your Kajabi dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu, click on Marketing, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, select Email Campaigns. This section is your hub for creating and managing all email communications with your audience. Now you'll find yourself on the Email Campaigns page. Navigate to the top right corner where you'll see a button labeled New Email Campaign. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear presenting you with different campaign types. Select Email Broadcast, which is perfect for sending one-time messages to your audience, then click Continue. You'll now be presented with Kajabi's collection of email templates. Take your time to scroll down and browse through what Kajabi has to offer. These templates are designed to look professional and save you time. Once you find something that suits your taste and matches your message, click on it. An email overview will appear showing you more details about the template. From this menu, click on Get Started, then enter a title for your email campaign. This title is for your internal reference, so make it something descriptive. Click Create to move forward. Next, you'll be directed to the email broadcast settings page. This is where you'll select your recipients. Click the drop-down field and enter the contacts or segments that will receive your email. Kajabi allows you to target specific groups based on their behavior, purchases, or other criteria, making your communication more effective. Once you've selected your audience, click Save and Continue. You'll now arrive at the Email Content Editor page. Here, enter the title of your email and craft a compelling subject line, as this is what your audience will see first in their inbox. Take a moment to check the email preview as well. If you need to adjust the content, layout, or customize any elements to better match your brand, now's the time to do it. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Finally, you'll reach the Send and Schedule section. Here you can choose to send your email immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time that works best for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.